Outpatient department services have been restored at the Accra Psychiatric Hospital and the Adabraka Polyclinic after organized labor called off its strike yesterday. But the two hospitals have seen lower than expected number of patients visiting their OPDs today. Clinical coordinator at the Accra Psychiatric Hospital, Dr. Susan Sefa, tells Joy News the situation could be as a result of people's assumption that the strike is still in full force and expects patients' numbers to normalize tomorrow.
Yes, organized labor has called off the strike. Yes, indeed, full work has been restored at the various hospitals. But the outpatient departments of the Accra Psychiatric Hospital is not seeing the usual number of patients it is used to. This could be partly attributed to the fact that some of these patients are not aware that a strike has been called off. I spoke to the clinical coordinator at the Accra Psychiatric Hospital, Dr. Susan Sefa, who tells me that yes, indeed, the numbers are not as high as it is on a normal Tuesday, but they do expect people to troop in as and when.
So on a normal Tuesday at Accra Psychiatric Hospital, it's very busy. We are expecting about 150 to 200 patients coming in on a Tuesday. But it looks like the numbers are down. We were expecting that we would have more patients coming because yesterday we weren't running the outpatient department services. And so today the numbers are down. But the day is young, so maybe they'll come in later on. Most of the health unions had a roadmap, and the roadmap was not for us to attend the outpatient patients who were coming to the department. So what we were doing was attending to just emergency cases. And so patients will walk in, you don't have anyone to attend to you. A few of them sat around and we're hoping that doctors will come and attend to them or nurses will come and attend to them, but unfortunately that didn't happen. A few times we had to go to them to tell them that yes, this is what was happening, and so they had to go back home. But as I said initially, we did attend to cases that came in as emergencies, and then patients that were admitted or on admission on the wards were attended to by the doctors and the nurses.
The strike lasted just a day, but the impact was dire as most patients at the various OPDs of the hospitals across the country were turned away because the doctors and nurses were not there to attend to them. And the good news once again is that it has been called off. So patients will be expected to troop into the various outpatient departments of the hospitals across the country to receive medical care from the OPD of the Adabraka Polyclinic. Kenneth, Jesse, for Joy News.